Hi boys and girls, how are you today? All right, for math, we should be in 14-5. And what I need you to do is get out your bag of shapes, okay? And make sure you have a pencil or a crayon, color pencil to be working with as well. Okay, here we go. So 14-5, it's all about using your shapes to make another object, okay? So if you look up in the green boxes, you can see that they start off with a pretty plain house, all right? And as they added more shapes, the house elaborated into something a little bit cooler, a better design, okay? And then they made it even a little bit larger and added a couple more shapes to that. If you continue on the green boxes, you can see 3 different cool designs that they made using their shapes. So it looks like they made a sun, okay? It also looks like they made some sort of rocket ship maybe here, or a jet plane. And then they made some type of animal, like a cat maybe there. All right, so what we're going to do today, today's lessons for me is going to go actually very fast because it's just you building different objects with your shapes, okay? So it's pretty cool and fun, all right? So if we look at number 1, they want us to make some sort of shape. So since I love Christmas, I'm going to make a Christmas tree. So for mine, go ahead and watch what I'll do, and then I'll let you guys go ahead and use your own creativity to make what you would like to make using your shapes. So for mine, if I had mine, I would put a triangle first. Then I would use a couple trapezoids. All right, so I'm laying my trapezoids out, and you guys can make this as well right now with yours. And then I would use my square. Okay, looks a little bit like a rectangle, but let me erase that and make that look like a true square. Okay, very good. So that is the shape I made, very easy, okay, since I'm doing it up here on the board for you guys. But today you're going to get to create whatever you want. Maybe you want to create a fish, a rocket ship, a caterpillar, a cloud. Maybe you want to create a cupcake, okay? Anything that you can think of, a really cool house, all right? So down here it wants to know which shapes we use. So I used 1 triangle, okay? 1, 2, 3 trapezoids, and then I used 1 square. And I did not use any rhombus, so I put a 0 here. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video, and then you can design whatever you want and fill in the information at the bottom. All right, now that you are ready for number 2 and number 3, they are the same way, okay? So I would like to see if you could make a fish for number 2, and then see if you can make a caterpillar for number 3. If it comes out that you can't think of how that would work or can't make it work with the shapes that you have, that is fine. Make your own shape. Be creative. Have fun with it, okay? So you'll lay your shapes down and then go ahead and trace it and see what you made. I can't wait to see the different cool objects that you guys made. Do not forget to fill in how many of each shape you use. Pay special attention to the type of shapes they want you to use down here, because this row of shapes is different than this row of shapes. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video now and enjoy having some creative time and making these shapes. All right, let's take a look at the last page here. Okay, it says Dana started making a flower using the pattern blocks. Draw more leaves and petals to help her finish. All right, so as we can see, we are missing something here. What shape would go here? We need a triangle. Good. Go ahead and draw in that triangle there. And one side we have our leaf, and we need another leaf on the other side. So what shape would we use that? Great job. Go ahead, do the best you can at drawing in your rhombus there. Next, use the pattern blocks to make a fish. Okay, if you've already done that on the previous one, that is okay, because I challenged you to make a fish on the other one. But if you didn't and you made something different, great, make a fish now. If you did a fish before, that's fine, make it again. And then let's take a look at here. Jeff is making a model of this arrow. What shape does he need to add to his model to finish it? So here's what Jeff already has. And we need it to look like this. If you're looking at that, what can we see is missing? Yes, the point is missing on Jeff's model. Which one of these would make the point? Very good. The triangle. If we were to add a triangle here, we would have the arrow complete. All right. Good job, boys and girls. That is it, because the next page would be our homework and practice, where you're going to get more time to create. Okay. Today's lesson was nice and short and extremely fun. Feel free to go back and use your color pencils and color in your shapes. I can't wait to see you guys all. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.